Good evening everybody. That's us just finished fitting the side awning. As you can see, we've got the fire lit and we're getting ready for a wee night under the stars. But it's getting a bit chilly, so I'm just going to pull across the side awning. And there you have it, Woodpecker Lodge, nice and snug by the fire.